Alfa Romeo presented the new MILA soon after renamed to Junior to the International Press Ride in Milan, at the historic headquarters of the Automobile Club Milano, in an unconventional way and with a dual purpose, on the one hand, to demonstrate Alfa Romeo's new language, on the other, to confirm that visceral and proud partnership with the city where Alfa Romeo was founded. In 1910, as an emblem of the perfect balance between innovation and tradition, founding characteristics that bind the brand to its hometown, orders opened for Junior in the specially launched version, the new gateway to the Alfa Romeo world for everyone, Alfisti fans and beyond, who has been awaiting the brand's return to the segment. To play a leading role, Alfa Romeo offers the sportiest and most exciting compact car to drive in the entire class, the only one that can enter into conversation with enthusiasts for the Giulietta and Mito and attract a new generation of Alfisti fans. Alfa Romeo Junior is inclusive and offers everyone the opportunity to access a distinctive and attractive car. Its mission is to win over a new generation through a new design language. Remaining steadfast is its innate aptitude for sportiness, a trait that has animated Alfa Romeo since 1910, with sportiness intended as an engaging driving experience in everyday life. In a segment populated by sporty versions derived from generalist models, Junior is proposed as a cool and unique object, combining a captivating style with the most advanced technology in terms of comfort, connectivity, and driving dynamics. In compromising comfort, as evidenced by the largest trunk among premium competitors 400L. Junior is also available in hybrid and electric, without distinctions in terms of aesthetics or equipment, because the only thing that matters is the fact it is 100% Alfa Romeo. Junior is available in Ibrida configuration, the first in the segment to also offer the Q4 all-wheel drive variant with automated rear-wheel drive axle management, and as Electrica, into power variants with 156 horsepower and a range of up to 410 kilometers, as well as the sportier 240 HP Veloce, the epitome of Alfa Romeo. The design evolves in the distinctive features that create an immediate emotional connection. After all, an Alfa Romeo has always been aimed at those looking for a car not only to be a means of transport, rather for a symbiosis, a bond that can bring out authentic emotions.
Exterior designant Alfa Romeo is based on the perfect balance between functional beauty and an unparalleled heritage, making it the epitome of Italian style in the automotive field. The new Alfa Romeo Junior is definitely no exception, as its compact dimensions, a length of 4.17 meters, width of 1.78 meters, and height of 1.5 meters, encompass the uniqueness of the Alfa Romeo Centro styles. Original and modern, made in Italy design, typical of the brand, expressed in balance of proportions, purity of lines, and attention to the quality of the surfaces. Alfa Romeo's stylists have modeled this skin with artisanal care on the mechanical parts, completely detaching themselves from the concepts of cold rationality in vogue in the class, to breathe life into a sinuous and exciting design that catches the eye at first sight. This creates a genuine emotional connection between the driver and the car, even going as far as resulting in a strong desire to caress it. The simplicity of Italian style, especially Alfa Romeo's, conceals one of the most complex creative processes in the industry, car design. Alfa Romeo Junior boasts a strong identity, made up of a limited number of features that include the legendary shield in the Legenda and Progresso variants, perhaps the most famous and recognizable signature in the automotive world. A contribution is made to its powerful personality by the bold look of the front, with 3+3 and adaptive full LED matrix headlights. Finally, the Alfa Romeo style is characterized by the quality of the surfaces, which create rich and harmonious reflections through distinct volumetric contrasts.
Interior design, the same inspiration of pure sportiness can be found inside the car, where the standout features are the Italian attention to every detail, the use of the finest materials, and the placement of all the controls within the driver's reach, as demonstrated by the compact steering wheel to adapt to all driving styles. Most of all, the instrument panel and its historical telescope design creates that direct visual connection and persuades you to wrap your hands around the steering wheel, start the engine, and make the best of a unique driving experience. In the middle of the cluster, the standout feature is a fully digital 10.5 TFT screen to access the car's data and the settings for the driving technologies. In the middle of the dashboard and oriented towards the driver, a 10.25 touchscreen system developed to work with widgets, graphic components designed for intuitive interaction with all the features, which can be customized by a quick and easy drag and drop. Every user can create their own homepage, where each of the car's features is an app in itself. To further embellish the interior, the air conditioning vents in the shape of a quadrifoglio four-leaf clover, the symbol par excellence of Alfa Romeo sportiness. Finally, to catch the eye and welcome the driver, sabled sport seats featuring an enveloping backrest that combines high mechanical resistance, perfect ergonomics, and structural lightness. Comfort and safety. According to Alfa Romeo, comfort means making every travel experience simple, extremely pleasant, organized, and safe. And that's why, when getting into the passenger compartment, you immediately perceive the meticulous attention to detail, the high quality of the upholstery, and the enveloping feeling of being in your comfort zone with a sporty nature and distinctly Italian quality. Despite its compact size, Junior boasts the largest trunk in its Class BEV with a load capacity of as much as 400 liters, accessible using hands-free technology. Junior also comes with exclusive features such as the convenient Alfa Romeo cable organizer storage compartment located under the bonnet as a handy place to store the charging cable. To increase the comfort even further, Junior offers a series of driver assistance features to help with the longitudinal and lateral control of the vehicle level to autonomous driving. Together with the 360 parking sensors, the 180 rear camera monitors the surrounding area for an innovative and practical semi-autonomous parking system. Finally, Junior can also include proximity access technology to open and close your car quickly and easily by coming closer to or moving away from the vehicle with no need for the customer. Driving dynamics, building on the lowest weight in the segment and optimal mass distribution, Junior enters the world of electric cars like a true Alfa Romeo. The team that coordinated the development of the driving dynamics is the same one that developed the Giulia GTA at the Bolacco Testing Center in Vercelli Province. With the clear aim of the new Junior achieving best-in-class road holding, made possible by specific technical solutions, it has the most direct steering in the segment 14.6. Specially calibrated to be extremely precise to enhance its exceptional road holding qualities. In the Veloce version, the sport suspension has been lowered by 25 millimeters. The front and rear anti-roll bars are extra sporty to guarantee quick cornering with a high level of grip. The braking system has front discs of over 380 millimeters with 4-piston monoblock calipers. The torsion differential offers the best possible traction in all conditions. The high-performance 20 inches tires are also specific to electric vehicles and offer extensive levels of grip. All this forms the basis of a one-of-a-kind compact car with a pure, recognizably Alfa Romeo sportiness. The Junior can also include the Alfa DNA system. Dynamic mode, partly made possible by specific steering and accelerator calibration, offers the utmost performance and driving pleasure. In a careful balance between performance and comfort, Natural model is designed for everyday use, while advanced efficiency is calibrated for maximum energy efficiency by reducing consumption without affecting driving pleasure. Finally, on the Q for hybrid version only, a fourth mode known as Q4 for low grip conditions.
Connectivity. Romeo interprets the use of software and connectivity to enhance the driver's experience, which is and remains the focus. Junior therefore comes with the most advanced connected technology to ensure maximum comfort. EV routing is an innovative connected system built into the navigator that manages the customer's charging needs automatically and stress-free. All customers need to do is set up their destination Then the navigation system automatically calculates any charging stops needed along the route. With access provided to over 600,000 charge points, the most extensive network in Europe, made possible by free-to-move charge, real-time traffic, battery and driving style monitoring makes it possible to rely on EV routing for a driving experience free from charging anxiety. Alfa Connect Services. The suite of connected service Alfa Romeo Junior is equipped with Alfa Connect Services, the tool that offers advanced onboard connectivity and a range of services for maximum safety and comfort. Thanks to over-the-air OTA technology, the car's maps and software are always kept up to date. The various functions that make the onboard experience the best ever include My Navigation, consisting of apps to remotely search for destinations and points of interest POI, as well as real-time alerts on traffic, weather, and speed cams. Via the My Alfa Connect smartphone app, customers can also interact with the car using My Remote, with various services such as remote control of the car's functions, opening or closing doors, or flashing the lights via smartphone or smartwatch, vehicle location, control of certain parameters, speed and area, and notifications if these are not respected. eControl also offers the option to remotely manage startup and stopping, to schedule charging, or if necessary, to heat or cool the interior before getting into the vehicle. Another major innovation is the integration of the Hey Alfa virtual assistant and chat AI, which use voice recognition to give you a useful, discreet co-pilot on your travels, for information, advice, and to meet all the driver's needs.
Junior Electrica. In the electric version of the Junior, Alfa Romeo has selected a new generation power source, combining an electric motor hybrid synchronous motor and a latest generation battery. With its high power, torque, and specific calibration of the electric powertrain, the new compact sports car offers uncompromising driving pleasure with segment-leading dynamics. Available into power versions, 156 or 240 horsepower, the new car ensures excellent performance and an engaging and sporty drive like every Alfa Romeo. The 54 kilowatt-hours battery offers high energy density and a very good ratio of rated to usable energy. Specifically, in the 156 HP version, the lithium-ion battery pack provides for 110 kilometers of range in the WLTP cycle or 590 kilometers in the urban cycle. Charging up the new Junior is very straightforward. At 100 kW DC fast charging stations, it takes less than 30 minutes to charge the batteries from 10 to 80%. Junior Ibrida. The new Alfa Romeo Junior offers traction solutions for the Ibrida version, front-wheel drive or Q for all-wheel drive, a first in the premium segment, which will be available at a later stage. Junior Ibrida adopts a 136 HP 48V hybrid VGT variable geometry turbo architecture. The internal combustion engine takes on the 1.2-liter 3-cylinder Miller cycle engine with variable geometry turbo and distribution chain for maximum reliability. The electrical component consists of a 48-volt lithium-ion battery and a 21 kW electric motor built into the innovative 6-speed dual-clutch gearbox, which works together with the inverter and transmission control unit to ensure maximum efficiency. Junior Ibrida offers an extremely smooth driving experience to move around the city in electric mode more than 50% of the time. Junior guarantees electric driving not only during parking maneuvers or at low speeds in urban areas, but also out of town with a limited load at up to 150. Junior Specially, the top-of-the-range launch version available with Ibrida 136 horsepower and Electrica 156 horsepower powertrains. Junior Specially, limited exclusively to the launch edition, synthesizes sportiness, technology, and comfort in a unique configuration that includes a targeted selection of the best specifications on offer in the lineup. The standout features in the exterior are the Progresso badge, the matte sports finish with accents in the new and already iconic Brera red, and 18 inches pedal-eye alloy wheels. The interior is embellished with sporty and exclusive features such as Spiga vinyl and fabric interior, leather steering wheel, and electrically operated driver's seat with massage function. Attention to detail is ensured by the elegant and distinctive 8-color interior lighting marking out the air vents, central tunnel, and the iconic telescope. An extremely rich setup is completed by the following safety equipment. Junior specially offers level to autonomous driving, connected navigation, 180 rear camera, hands-free electric tailgate, and keyless system with proximity access technology as standard. Junior Electrica Specially is also equipped with an 11 kW 3-phase onboard charger to ensure the best charging performance in all situations. Alfa Romeo Junior Veloce debuts the new 2.80 CV electric powertrain. With the Junior 280 Veloce, the Alfa Romeo brand debuts the new generation of the M4+ electric motor, which delivers 107 kilowatts to 180 CV of output and torque of 345 Newton meters. Jointly developed by Alfa Romeo Engineering and by the joint venture between the Stellantis Engineering Propulsion Systems team and emitters, the new powertrain has been designed and fine-tuned to meet the specific targets of the project led by the Alfa Romeo team. Thanks to the high power and torque, it reaches a peak of 15,200 revolutions per minute, and the maximum torque is consistently between 250 and 4,875 revolutions per minute. And specific calibration of the powertrain. The new compact sports car offers uncompromising driving pleasure with segment-leading dynamics, with acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5.9 seconds and a top speed of over 200 km per hour. Specifically, the electric powertrain consists of an electric motor hybrid synchronous motor and the latest 54 kWh battery, offering a high energy density and an outstanding ratio of rated to usable energy. The lithium-ion battery pack provides for 110 kilometers of range in the WLTP cycle. Finally, charging the new Junior Veloce is very simple. It takes less than 30 minutes to charge the batteries from 10 to 80% at 100 kW DC fast charging stations.
Ready to drive anywhere, anytime in the Junior Specially. Alfa Romeo introduces Ready to Drive anywhere, anytime. An extremely reassuring and simple offer that supports customers in their everyday relationship with their electric car. The system is connected in real time to over 600,000 charging stations across Europe and offers a choice of the most suitable charging point for your route and to plan your stop. Wallbox for home charging. The free-to-move charge wallbox is included in the launch offer. Alfa Romeo eCard. Thanks to the Free Solutions charging app powered by Free-to-Move Solutions, Junior customers have access to the most extensive charging network in Europe. With Alfa Romeo eCard, it's easy to activate and pay contactless for your top-up, wherever you are. Lineup. Alfa Romeo Junior presents a lineup strategy that makes customer configuration even easier. Junior is offered with 4 powertrains: 136 HP Ibrida, 136 HP Q4 Ibrida, 156 HP Electrica, and 240 HP Electrica Veloce. Premium, for the best in comfort and exclusivity, courtesy of the vinyl fabric blend interior, electrically operated driver's seat with massage function, interior ambient lighting, and aluminum pedals and kick plate. Sport, which by definition offers the best in sportiness with saddled seats, Alcantara upholstery, and sporty exterior features.